Hey guys, it's Angel. Long time no see. It has been a couple months now. I know. Where have I been? I have actually been taking care of my grandparents. My grandma fell about 7 months ago and she fell and had hip surgery, which is a really big deal, and she's going through physical therapy, and I really wanted to be there for her, so I just took some time off to just kind of help her through that. Now that she's better, I am back and I have a really cool unboxing video for you guys. We're gonna be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Now I'm super excited to try out this phone. I've never had a Samsung Galaxy Note before, but I am really excited because of the S Pen. I've always wanted a phone that I could take notes on, and I think that would just be a really cool feature. So for those of you who are interested in this phone and what my first impressions are, keep watching. All right, so this is what I got in the mail yesterday, delivered by FedEx. I ordered the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 in the 256GB model, which retails for $949. Now there is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is slightly bigger. It's got a 6.8-inch screen size, but the Note 10 is a 6.3-inch screen size. And I chose this because I wanted to be able to hold my phone better, and I thought that the smaller screen size would be easier to hold. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, wow, it's my first time opening a Samsung phone product. There's that. And wow, okay, so there were 3 colors in this model, and I got what's called the Aura Glow. But it's supposed to be kind of bluish with like a holographic kind of shine and sheen to it. It's pretty, isn't it? Now there were 2 other colors, one which is more like a pearl white and a plain black. And so I wasn't really interested in plain black, and this holographic one, I think this is kind of cool. It's kind of like unicorn colors. Wait, is there? Okay, I can't tell if there's another layer of protection. Oh yeah, there is, okay. And I'm so glad I didn't take that off because that was actually a screen protector. So that is what this looks like. Gosh, it's so pretty. Let's turn it on. Wow. So it's booting up. Okay, while that's booting up, let's check what else is in here.
Let's get started.
Oh.
Let me help you get set up more easily.
So what else is in here? The instructions. There's the quick reference guide. There's the little SIM card ejector tool. That thing. And underneath this, oh, interesting. Okay, so are these earbuds? So they give you headsets. They give you, actually, these are really nice. Oops. These are really nice looking headsets here. Oh, I need to go work out more. Okay. Yay. Okay. So now these are the headsets that come with the phone. And that's kind of nice so that you don't have to buy your own headset. The charger, a little, looks like USB to USB-C adapter. And that's it. Okay, great. Let me put that down. Let's set this up. Let's go. English. All right, so my phone's set up now, and I just gotta say, when I hold it in my hands, this phone feels really nice. I think it's because of the beveled edges, almost like an infinity pool, but like an infinity edge. So it feels nice and rounded. I could definitely see myself using this without a case. The only thing is in my 5 minutes that I've been playing with it and showing you guys, I already have a ton of smudges, so I'd probably get a little bit annoyed by that, but you can always just do this. Other than that, the screen and phone itself look really good. It's got the 1080p AMOLED display, and according to Samsung, the AMOLED display really helps in cutting down 40% of the blue light, which means less eye strain for those of you who surf on their phone at night. All right, so now let's check out the camera. So on the back, you'll notice that there's 3 lenses here. There's the telephoto, the wide range, and the ultra wide range camera, in addition to the front facing selfie camera right here. Now, I do want to try some of these photos. Telephoto? I think that's the telephoto. Okay, so that's the telephoto. The wide range. And the ultra wide range. It kind of looks like a fisheye lens. The next thing I wanted to try is the S Pen. So the S Pen is actually on the bottom of the phone. You just press it and it pops out. This one is a nice blue color, like an indigo color. And the pen itself has a button on the back and a button here, like you're writing. And once you pop the pen out, there's the ability to go ahead and create a note. So I'm just gonna write, hello, there. Oh wow, I don't know if you guys heard that, but it actually sounds like I'm scribbling. I personally like to take notes with the pen, so jotting it down and having it on your phone right away is really cool. It writes like a real pen. There's a little bit of give on the tip when you push down on it, so it feels comfortable to use and it feels natural. You can also use your S Pen to flip through things like documents. You can start video with it, take selfies so that you don't have to hold the phone. That actually is kind of cool. But obviously there's a learning curve and I need to know all the shortcuts. So I will leave that for a different video. Oh, another thing that came with my phone was this wireless charger duo pad. And this does wireless Qi charging. And another benefit to the Qi charging is for this phone, if you have a friend who has run out of battery and they also have a Samsung or other compatible Qi charging device, you can actually place it on top of this phone and I can give them power, like give them a little bit of juice. Conceptually, it's kind of cool, although it is kind of weird if you just go up to somebody and be like, hey, I'm out of battery. Can I charge against your phone? It's kind of weird. It's a good conversation starter, but still very weird. Oh, and one more thing about the Note 10 battery life. It's supposed to last all day. I haven't tried it yet, obviously, but it's got a 3400 milliamp battery, which should be good enough for regular use, but come ask me in a week. So overall, my first impressions of this phone is I'm pretty impressed. It's light, it feels great in my hand. I like the screen. I love the pen. I think I'm gonna have so much fun testing out and using the pen and trying it with different things, taking selfies with it, writing notes with it. The only downside I can see right now is, and I don't even know if I would consider this a downside because this happens with any other phone, is the crazy amount of fingerprint smudges. But overall, my first impressions of this phone is really positive and I can't wait to try it out in real life. If you guys are interested in a review video, post in the comments and let me know. If you liked this unboxing video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until then, take care guys, I love you, and hopefully I will see you guys soon. Bye!